Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't hit it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list.
What am I people them? I hope everybody's feeling good, feeling blessed. I hope you guys are feeling grateful for the fact that you even watching this. That means you woke up this morning. Did you hear that? That's a blessing. You woke up this morning. Alright. As you guys can see by the title, I have bought myself a headband wig. It's my first time ever trying it and I'm really excited for it. Apparently it's meant to be really easy, so yeah, let's see it together. I've not opened it at all. I have not opened this at all, okay? So yeah, let's go. Oh, this is a nice headband. They only gave me one, but this is actually a pretty one. I've got a few headbands inside, so yeah, that's alright. Okay, so I'm literally just taking out. It came with a pair of earrings as well, but my mum took them. Yeah, she was walking off smiling with them. But yeah, so I've got a free gift, which is a little pair of gold hoop earrings, as I can see in my mum's hand. It came with a headband, this cute little bag, a wig cap, and then the wig. So yeah, great, let's get into it. So the wig that I got was actually 20 inches. 20 inches. Usually I get much longer, but this time I thought, let me get short just in case I don't like it, because I know what I'm like. Oh, and just so you know, all I've done was basically put it, tied my hair back and in a little bun, so a little bit of edges, and yeah, that was it. Pink cable it, I guess. I don't even know if you actually need this little headband wig cap thing or not. So yeah, let's see. Ooh, okay. Ooh. That really makes sense. It starts with the... This is actually much shorter than what I was usually going for. I'm kind of excited. I'm actually excited. This is actually really good. Let's have a look on the inside. Okay. Alright, I'm excited to try this on. Let's go. I'm assuming put it on from this way. I don't know. So quick, that was so simple. Oh my god, wait, did you not just see that? I literally it was on. And it feels way more secure than a normal wig. Hold on. That was a good investment. I was not expecting this. No. Let's try it with the little headband on. Let's see. No. I cannot believe how good this looks, seriously. There was no sticking, no gluing, no ruining your edges, no closure. Girl. Wait a minute. Tie that little headband. No, this looks really good. Homebody. And you can tie up half of it. No, this is so cute. cannot believe I've only just purchased this now. So I could be doing this myself because I can't lay no wig down, but I can do this. I can do this. No, I am so happy with this. This was a good girl. This was a good purchase. Okay. If you don't already have a headband wig, get a headband wig. Did you not see that? No, I'm really happy with that. So I can wake up, do a little, and then out the door. No, that was good. I think I need a curly one now. Yeah, this is definitely my new thing. Oh, girl. Yeah. I'm literally so happy with this. Oh, this is cute. What do you lot think? I'm not gonna lie, because I'm so pale right now, because there ain't no sun in London, so I'm looking pale. My cat's trying to come in. Hey Pam. You alright? And even without this little pretty headband of it being like black, I still think it looks alright, personally. You don't think? Listen, headbands are £1, not even that, I think. I can't believe I've only just got it in 2022. So you're telling me, how long has this been out? How long, when? Listen, from time like I've been seeing on Instagram, that little closure part for people, for like men who don't have hair at the front, and I see them sticking it on, and I see all these crazy things happening on TikTok now, and it's about time. It's about time everybody gets a headband wig. No, I'm really happy with that. Yeah. What did you say? What did you say? Headband wig. No, this is really good. I'm actually really happy with it. Guys, this is a huge thumbs up from me. Huge thumbs up. I am so happy I purchased this. If you lot don't have one, like I said, go get one, because yeah, it's definitely great. I definitely think I should have got a curly one. I think that would have suited me a bit better. But yeah, I'm still happy with it. I am still definitely happy with it. Would you say you like my headband? I'll leave everything in the description. I hope you guys did enjoy this. Oh, wait, hold on. What did you say? The girl in the back? What did she say? Where did she get that lip? This one? You like what's going on here? This is a lip gloss that I'm wearing. I do have a brown lip liner, obviously around the outside, but this is the amazing lip gloss that I'm wearing. I can't say I got it in a cute. I will definitely leave the link in the description on where to get this from. This is a small business, a black owned small business. Did you hear that? Make sure you guys go and check it out. She has so many different amazing shades. She has candles. So she has some, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed